Hey guys, in this video let me show you how to create a fluffy natural eyebrows. So for my brows, I'm using a black gel eyeliner. This is just for the purpose of filling in sparse brows. I'm not going to overly draw my brows. So, and this is the brush I am using. This brush I got it from a nail store, and I'm using a Carrite black gel eyeliner. So I'm combing up my eyebrows so I can see where I need to fill the brow stroke the most. And I'm going into that space you guys saw before I started filling it in. Then I'm going to make sure I give it a light stroke. I'm trying to mimic my natural brow hairs as possible. And to achieve this, you just have to get a brush that is so thin that can give you that really, really fine, thin hair like stroke, and that is what I'm doing. So when I got to the front part of my eyebrows, I try to make sure I make it as light as possible so I can mimic how brows look really light from the beginning, then it gets darker towards the end part. So where the tail ends, I'm also going to be going a little bit heavy handed to also mimic how my brows look on that part. And that's what I do basically. In between the brows, I just draw a stroke, then I will go ahead and brush it to distribute it. And the good thing is the brow product I am using is a gel product, so it dries and it doesn't mix with the brow as it stays on its own, unlike when you use maybe a pencil that will distribute the wax around. This just stay where you put it. So I'm trying to make it look really, really nice by going stroke. I mean, from heavy handed to light handed. This brush just works for me, guys. I like using this brush a lot. And if you are looking at getting something like this, guys, please get it where nails products that sold. Get it from there. That's where you get things like this from, to give you the thinnest stroke you could ever imagine. And guys, this is how my brows look. It looks really, really perfect and beautiful. And guys, let me know what you think about these brows in the comment section. Most of the times I don't clean it with concealer because I feel it gives the most natural look. So guys, this is how to create a natural fluffy full brows. For those of you that have full brows and you really don't want to pencil it to make it look like it's too boxy, this is how you can go about it. What do you think, guys, about this? Let me know down in the comment section, and please let me know what other type of makeup tutorial you would like to see. Thank you so much, guys, and please don't forget to leave me a comment down in the comment section. Bye, guys.